All right, dude, well, welcome back to the States. You just flew in earlier today. How was it? How was the trip?
The trip was great, man. I mean, went to Bali with my girlfriend.
Oh.
Yeah, dude, it was, I've never seen any sights like that before in my life.
Dude, that's awesome. How many days were you there?
I was there for 5 days, but I mean, staying on that beach all day can make you think you're there for 2 weeks.
Dude, 5 days, wow. I bet it felt like 2 weeks. That's just such like a culture shift. How many outfits did you have to pack?
Well, to be honest, I know I had like 2 or 3 a day packed, but I didn't have to think about it once. My only goal every time is just to make sure I don't look like I rolled out of bed and gave up.
You said you had to pack 2 or 3 outfits like per day.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm sure whenever you were, kind of laying out your clothes, getting your suitcase ready, like you probably laid them out all over the place.
Nah, man, that's pretty old fashioned at this point. I tried everything on virtually. I didn't have to lay out one thing. My closet's already in the new app I got called Kevin. I just was able to tell it my whole week in advance. I knew I had a dinner date every night with my lady. I knew I was gonna go on a morning run every day. And I also planned a little bit ahead, prepared for, some spontaneous activities. We like to get a little bit crazy. Sometimes it's swimming midday, sometimes it's karaoke in the middle of the night. I didn't lay one single thing out. I just laid out my itinerary to Kevin.
You're saying that you planned your entire week in under a minute? Just a couple taps and you were done?
Bro, I knew what every day looked like 2 days before the trip when my bag was packed. Zero stress. I'm just waiting to take off, itching to go. I had everything planned because of Kevin.
Because I was gonna say, you're usually like an avid overpacker, right? Like 3 carry-ons just because you're not sure what you're gonna wear.
Yeah, there's, only room for one girl in the relationship, so I kind of had to make a change.
Right. Totally justified. So you're saying with Kevin, you're never gonna have to plan an outfit ever again?
I never have to plan an outfit again. I just have to give it the okay.
Well, would it want you to pack stuff that's already dirty and now you've gotta go and you've gotta wash it?
Well, I had Kevin pack 5 days worth of outfits for me. He never suggested a dirty garment once, which nobody really believes that until they see it. I'm guessing your audience members have all done this at least once. You're waiting too long, too close to a trip to pack, and just right when you get around to it, you realize all your favorite outfits are still dirty in your hamper and it's just too late to wash them before the trip.
Yeah, if everything's dirty, how do you know what to wear?
I literally have to tap a button that says I'm wearing this for Kevin to log it as dirty. Then he won't suggest it in any outfits generated until I've told him I've washed my laundry. And then he just moves that outfit onto my calendar. So I know I wore it that day or I know I'm going to wear it that day. I can try on as many outfits as I want virtually, and Kevin knows something's only dirty once I tell him I'm wearing this. That's dirty.
What if you generate something, but you don't hit I'm wearing this?
Yes, I was gonna say, I can keep generating as long as I want, and I might like a fit that I pulled out,
right,
but not for the occasion. So I can click a little, save this, kind of put it on my bench, wear it another time.
So you can save item.
Yes.
Right, so outfits that you like, you can kind of save and kind of keep on the back burner for later.
It's kind of like a little card game. I can show you all my cards, look at all my outfits, I'm ready to go. This is what I wore this past week. And I've got these 5 outfits on the bench ready to go for whatever occasion pops up that's appropriate. So, I love Kevin. Whatever he pulls out every time, my girlfriend always okays. I'm always sending her hey, what do you think about my outfit of the day? Because, there's a feature on the app that does that too.
Wow, so you're saying when it suggests an outfit, you can actually send that to your girlfriend for verification on hey, does this look good? Is this gonna match what you're wearing?
Yes, dude, I'll say there's so many outlets on this app to make sure what I'm wearing is what I'm supposed to be wearing.
Is there does Kevin tell you? Does it match your personality? Is there any type of breakdown or?
Yeah, there's actually, he talks to me, he gives me 3 rundowns of colorway of shirt bottom, whatever. It'll have a style percentage, style match of the type of vibe you're going for. Usually I'm picking 80, 84 plus range. I want to feel confident number-wise, confident look-wise, everything.
So it gives you a confidence score for what all does it measure?
So you take a style quiz when you get on the app, and it tries to stick to that. I'm neutral colors black, gray, white, navy. So it generally tends to lean towards what my preferences are.
Maybe how it matches your personality, how it matches your style profile.
Yes.
Or what the fit for the occasion is. Does it just kind of mesh well with other external factors?
Yeah, there's a voiceover that'll come through. It'll kind of read down this is gonna fit the vibe because of this, with the sun being out, you want your forearms out, you don't want to be covered up, or with the rain being out, you definitely want this jacket over top. He knows what he's talking about. He puts all the variables together, and like I said, I feel confident every single time without second thought. He puts me in the right position.
Wow, that's crazy. I often find myself, not wearing the right thing, but always being overdressed just in case. So like, it's good that you know that.
Yeah, I mean, I wanted to know how my style was gonna change over the week. So I took a personality quiz before the trip. My profile said I was a rebel. Then about, halfway through the trip, I took another style quiz and noticed it changed to old money. The Kevin app was offering me a little bit less baggy outfits and giving me a more buttoned up vibe. That helped me stand out a little bit. Kevin knows my personality and saw it change without me even opening the app again. He pulled new clothes I wasn't wearing often and started suggesting new styles that matched my new look. Kevin builds the whole outfit from what you already have.
Right, and usually whenever you go on vacation, maybe like, you buy a pair of swim trunks or whatever's there.
Nah, man, you don't know how many outfit combinations you have in that closet. Kevin just used what I already had and showed me something I didn't ever see before. Outfits I own that I didn't know I had.
So tell me about some other things that you mentioned while you were going on the trip. Did you guys go to any restaurants, have like some really good eats?
Well, me and my lady, we like to get spontaneous. We had a dinner night that actually got moved to a DoorDash on the beach. Needless to say, my whole outfit plan for that night didn't match the vibe anymore. But I told Kevin the new spot, that's all it took. He rebuilt the outfit from what I had left. I did a quick fit check to double check that I wasn't gonna look silly out there. I just had to confirm the outfit with the rest of the group before we met up. Everyone sent their outfits in the group chat too.
Wow, dude, that's a beautiful picture. Is that a new shirt?
Dude, pinstripe shirt, I couldn't turn it down. I needed to get that thing. All right, let's be honest. When we see something we want, we already want it.
Right.
We're just looking for a little bit of validation on making a purchase. I asked Kevin what would go great with the pinstripe shirt, man. He showed me a fit check with a few pieces that I had with me in my suitcase. Made me feel even more confident about wanting to buy it. 3 taps, I was able to feel just as confident as I needed to make that purchase.
Since it knows your closet, it sees what you like. If you want to buy something, it tells you how good of a purchase it is.
And you see how clearly good it turned out in that photo, right?
Dude, it looks like you planned that in advance. Like you had the shirt the whole time.
Kevin doesn't use models. That was actually me on my screen. It was my body, my actual shirt, the real color. That's why I trusted it. I actually legitimately saw what it would look like on me before I even thought about wearing it.
Right, because that's my problem is whenever I buy something new on vacation, it always looks kind of thrown together, a little bit messy, right? The shirt never matches the pants because I didn't plan to buy the shirt.
There was no guessing, there was no hoping. I just walked out the door with straight confidence.
And you can try it on without actually trying it on. Yes. And it doesn't get dirty.
Exactly, yeah. Wow. But do you want to know the craziest part? Kevin watches what I keep saying no to. The stuff I scroll past, never wear, never select, he takes note of. It actually stacks up and calculates the unworn value of all those garments that I keep saying no to. There's this one shirt I kept saying, basically was the reason I was saying no to every outfit he generated with it. And he kind of let me know, you have some unworn value in your closet.
Because it has the one shirt that you don't like.
So kind of let me know, hey, you got some things in your unworn value section. Did some research, this is what it comes out to, right? Real money, just sitting in my closet. Stuff I bought and never used.
So not only does Kevin know your style, but it sounds like he knows kind of what you don't wear and how to be profitable with what you don't wear.
Cash I forgot I had. I sold what I never wore. Now, thanks to Kevin, that covered my flight. The trip wasn't extra money out of my pocket. It came out of my closet. Dude, you're also gonna love this. So it's still a relatively new app, right? There's a feedback option. And look, the app's already practically perfect for me for what I need it for, but I'm all into customization. So I wanted to add my own little color to it. I told him about the idea of some new colors. Dude, 24 hours, they told me they were gonna be on it. And within the next few days, the update went through. Dude, now I can change it from black and blue to black and purple or white background with pink lines. It's just awesome, dude. It changes everything for you. So customizable. If you download Kevin now, whatever you're thinking, tell him. You'll definitely get a response. No wonder my lady noticed a step up in my style, bro. She noticed that I stopped listening to you for the advice. Click the link and download Kevin now. Scan your closet. Find out how much money you're sitting on.